In this video I want to show you how you can flip the columns in Excel. Okay, so this will be a short video, but at least I wanted to share this information with you as well. Okay, so right now assume that you want to flip this column. Okay, so just I'm focusing on this column. Assume that here I have this, and then so I will bring it back, or let's say just paste it here. And the formula, actually, you have different solution for this, but here I'm gonna show you maybe the easiest one. So here I will say that equals to index. Okay, and then so you have the parentheses, and from here I'm going to select this column, okay, from I6 to I26. Okay, and then here I'm going to lock this column. Okay, so by pressing on F4 on your keyboard. Okay, F4, and then here just select this I6 and I26, and then F4. Okay, and after that, so you need to put comma, and from here you have actually this, if you look at here, you have 26. Okay, so the number of let's say the row is 26. So here I will say 27, so plus 1. Okay, so let me try with this, minus row, and then parenthesis, and select the first column of this series. Okay, and then close the parenthesis, and then press enter. Okay, so here just double click on that, and as you can see here, so you have the reverse or flipped column.